questions asked me to talk about different genre that each platform actually works with based on my own experience. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about four different platforms that I actually work with based on my experience and also my colleague experience. Before I even get started, let me show you something real quick. One of my subscribers sent this to me yesterday and I'm super excited. So for those that are still doubting if this is real or not, this is another proof. This could make you your first $100 to $300 online, and yes, it is working, and you can actually do it with just a smartphone. You don't need a laptop, so you don't have an excuse. Now let's get straight into why we are here exactly. So the first platform on my list, based on my own experience, is GoodNovel. Oh my goodness, I love GoodNovel. GoodNovel is one of the best platforms that I actually really like to submit my story on. And the reason why I like GoodNovel is because of the 50-50% share revenue. That's another thing. Some platform actually give you 30% revenue, why revenue share, why they take 70%. So I don't think that's fair, no. But GoodNovel gives you 50% revenue share. And one thing again is that I always like to target exclusive contracts. Yeah, I'm not saying that non-exclusive contract is not actually good, but if you want to, like, you need money ASAP and you cannot wait for long to actually collect your money, I think you should just go for exclusive. You get my point. And another thing is that when you sign non-exclusive with Good Novel, you are going to get $50 when you are done with that book as a signing bonus. You get, but some platform will not pay you anything. They're just going to pay you revenue share. So that's one of the things that I like about Good Novel. Now let's talk about the genre that Good Novels likes. According to what I have actually submitted on the platform and my friends, you get. So if you're writing a romance story, Good Novel is a good fit. Romance story, for any form of romance story, be it mafia romance, werewolf romance, billionaire romance, romance story genre, Good Novel likes it. And also, if your story is a female lead story, that about Good Novel. And if you want to join the community, it's easy for you to join the community. Just scroll down where you're going to see resources. You click on community and join their Facebook group. You can have access to AHE and all of that, and you can also apply for contract with an AHE. But the story that I have submitted on Good Novel, I registered with an AHE. You get, so I would advise you just use an AHE to register your story to get more access to bonus, and also you get exclusive contracts easily. As far as your story is good, you're going to get contracts. That's that for that. Now let's move to the next website. So the next website on my list is StaryWriting. As you can see on this screen, on StaryWriting you only have access to bonuses when you get exclusive contract. If you have non-exclusive contracts, you're not going to be getting paid. You're not going to be getting any bonus. You are only going to get paid when reader pay to read your book. You get, so that is the only way you're going to get paid, when you get a non-exclusive contract on StaryWriting. But I usually say you should target exclusive contracts because that's more benefits. And if the platform did not promote your book, you are probably not going to earn money when you get non-exclusive contracts with StaryWriting. So you have to keep uploading your book, like up to like 50k word. They will promote your book and readers pay to read that book, then you earn money. So those are the ways you can actually get to earn money from StaryWriting. Okay, so let's talk about the genre that you can actually upload on StaryWriting. Werewolf and romance story. But StaryWriting werewolf story, you are going to get contracts. You can check their platform and see different type of story that are getting more views, and that will help you to determine what type of story you are going to submit to get you an exclusive contract. And to join their community, their Facebook group, all you have to do is just to scroll down where you're going to be saying contact us. Then you scroll down to connect with us. You're going to see Medium page, Facebook group. Then you click on Facebook group to join their community. So the next platform is Meganovel. So if you want to submit your story on Meganovel, you should know that the story you are going to be submitting here will be male lead, majorly male lead.
Then it's like they like magic stories, scientific, like any paranormal, like werewolf story, magic, like story, any kind of story that is out of this world. I don't know, they just like that kind of story. At least it's interesting. Yes, they like that kind of story, especially magic story, scientific, kind of action stuff. Yeah, you can read more on their platform. Check out other people that are writing that kind of story, because I do not, you get. So I'm focusing major on romance story. So yeah, so that's why. So all you have to do is just to check their platform, the books that are doing well, check them out, the tropes that they combined, the kind of story that they write, then you can actually replicate the same kind of story. I'm not saying you should copy other people's work, just get inspiration from their work and then you write your own story similar to that kind of story. That is what I am saying. The last on my list is Novelsnack. Novelsnack is going to pay you, especially for exclusive contracts, signing bonus, monthly attendance bonus. You are going to get paid. But if you get some exclusive contracts, you're not going to get signing bonus and monthly attendance bonus. But you're going to get paid when readers read your book. It's generally for non-exclusive contracts. You get. And the type of genre you can actually upload on Novelsnack is romance story, werewolf story. You can also combine both genres together. Yeah, you can combine both genres together and apply for contract on Novelsnack, and you're going to get contract. Just make sure that your book is actually of quality, and also I like to aim for exclusive contracts, so you should do that too. All right, I hope this video is helpful and gives more insights. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. See you on my next video, and do take care of yourself.